Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Today we are continuing our R2 build with issue 52. We have our parts, which more electronics, so that excites me. But let's crack it open. Let's see exactly what we got. All right, here are the parts we get with this issue. We have a sensor control board and a sensor calibration panel. The control board we're not actually going to be using in this issue, so that's kind of sad. But we can set it to the side for now. But we will be installing the sensor calibration panel, which is really just this tiny little piece of plastic. And from what I can tell, it's really just because the infrared sensors in the right leg that we built, these sensors right here, are a little too low and they need to be pushed out a bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it out of the bag first. And then we're going to pop this cover plate off. Let me pull out a little bit here if I can. There we go. I'm going to pop this cover plate off by taking out the 6 screws along the edge. All right, and with that cover plate off, we're going to undo the screw here by the infrared sensor. I'm just going to pop the sensor off and take the plastic calibration panel here, and if you look real close, there's a hole in it. That hole will line up with the screw hole, just like that, and the sensor will go back in place. And there we have it. With the sensor back in place, we can replace the cover panel here. And that finishes stage 52. And there we are, another issue down, not terribly much to do. Glad to see that they discovered and found a correction for an issue. I'm assuming that's what that was for, before we really got the whole robot assembled. Some of you may notice that on this leg, I've taken out the silver centerpiece here. That is because a lot of other builders have told me that this is going to have to come out later in the day, and it's going to be much more difficult to remove at that stage. So I've gone ahead and I've taken it out for now, and we'll put it back when we are instructed to do so. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.